Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts, welcome to an exciting review that will unravel the reasons why the Apple Watch SE 2 is an absolute must-have in 2023. In a market brimming with options from rugged contenders to budget-friendly choices, the Apple Watch SE 2 stands tall, packed with features that cater to the needs of casual users and beyond. Today, we delve into its impressive array of functionalities, weigh them against its current pricing, and pit it against its formidable competitors. All links for this amazing product are available in the description if you are interested. So now let's get ready to discover why the Apple Watch Southeast 2 deserves a place on your wrist this year. Welcome to our captivating video review, and we hope you enjoy the journey. Price. Priced at an affordable $249, the Apple Watch SE 2 presents an irresistible opportunity for those who value both their wallets and top-notch technology. And guess what? The deal gets even sweeter. Retail giants like Best Buy and Amazon are currently showering us with delightful discounts, making this purchase an absolute steal in 2023. Design. Prepare to be captivated by the exquisite design and unparalleled comfort of the Apple Watch SE 2. Crafted from sleek aluminum, it maintains the iconic shape and comes in colors like midnight, starlight, and silver. The robust Ion X glass protects the vibrant display, ensuring elegance and durability. The SE 2 boasts a nylon composite case back that matches seamlessly and feels warm and smooth against your skin. It offers impeccable ergonomics inherited from the Series 4, effortlessly adapting to any occasion. Whether at the office, the gym, or during sleep, it delivers functionality and style. Compatibility is a key factor as it works with any Apple Watch band and charging accessories. Now let's address the Apple Watch Series 8. While the Series 8 may have advanced features, the SE 2 holds its ground with affordability and impressive capabilities. It delivers a seamless user experience, reliable health tracking with a second-generation optical heart rate sensor, and a timeless design. Screen and performance. The Apple Watch SE 2 impresses with its powerful Apple S8 processor, delivering top-notch performance. Coupled with the W3 wireless chip, it ensures seamless connectivity to your phone. While lacking the ultra-wideband U1 chip, the focus is on delivering an exceptional user experience with watchOS 9 and access to a vast selection of apps from the App Store. One noticeable difference from the Series 8 is the lack of an always-on screen. However, the SE 2 screen instantly lights up when you raise your wrist, providing quick access to essential information. Notifications are easily managed and calls are clear with the built-in speaker. App management and downloads are smooth, though power controls require an extra step in watchOS 9. Overall, the Apple Watch SE 2 offers seamless performance and a wide range of features, making it a top choice for 2023. Health and fitness tracking. The Apple Watch SE 2 offers reliable health tracking features, although it lacks some advanced functionalities. It doesn't have an electrocardiogram or blood oxygen tracking, but it provides notifications for abnormal heart rate, cycle tracking, fall and noise detection, crash detection, and basic sleep tracking. Its swim-proof supports the redesigned Compass app and shares the same altimeter, accelerometer, and gyroscope as the Series 8. Tracking workouts is easy with the Apple Watch Southeast 2. Open the workout app, choose your activity, and get started. It shows heart rate, calorie burn, and elapsed time, with music controls just a swipe away. The watch seamlessly integrates with GPS, allowing you to start your activity without delay. It's a convenient and informative experience. The Apple Watch SE 2 syncs effortlessly with your iPhone, keeping all your data up to date without any manual effort. This, combined with its comfortable design, ensures seamless integration into your daily life. It's a hassle-free companion. While the Apple Health and Apple Fitness apps have some data overlap and may lack the depth of other brands, the Apple Watch SE 2 is perfect for casual exercisers and those concerned about overall health. It may not satisfy marathon runners seeking extensive data, but third-party apps can offer more information. Comparing it to the Apple Watch Ultra, there were no significant differences in heart rate, calorie burn, or ease of use. The Apple Watch Southeast 2's ring-based motivational system helps you achieve your daily activity goals. It provides accurate and easy-to-use tracking, making it ideal for users focused on overall health. Although it may not offer in-depth insights, it delivers reliable and user-friendly features. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Southeast 2 is worth considering in 2023 for its dependable health tracking, seamless integration with your iPhone, and comfortable design. It may not cater to extreme fitness enthusiasts, but it excels at providing accurate and user-friendly tracking for overall health management. Battery and charging. The Apple Watch Southeast 2 impresses with its battery life, offering more usage time than expected. While you may occasionally miss the always-on screen, the extended battery life compensates for it. Apple claims 18 hours of use, but in reality, it can easily last 2 full days with typical usage, including notifications, a connection to your phone, and sleep tracking. Charging the Apple Watch Southeast 2 is a bit slower compared to other models. It's recommended to charge it overnight, especially if you're using it for sleep tracking. The magnetic puck charger works well, but without fast charging, it takes around 2 hours or more to fully charge the watch. In comparison, the Series 8 charges fully in about an hour less. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Southeast 2 offers impressive battery life, lasting 2 full days with regular use. While overnight charging is preferable due to slower charging speeds, the overall performance and reliability of the watch make it a worthy investment in 2023. Whether you're tracking workouts, receiving notifications, or monitoring your sleep, the Apple Watch Southeast 2's battery won't disappoint. Now let's talk about choosing the right Apple Watch for you. Surprisingly, the Apple Watch Southeast 2 may be the best option, even though it's the cheapest. While the Series 8 boasts impressive features like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and an always-on screen, ask yourself if you truly need them. These features can be life-saving for some, but for many, they may go unused. Don't underestimate the Apple Watch Southeast 2 as being too basic without these additional features. Its simplicity and seamless background functionality are a significant part of its charm. If you can't find a place for the extra Series 8 features in your life, save your money and opt for the Apple Watch Southeast 2. It flawlessly delivers everything else the Series 8 offers and brings joy to your wrist. And that is a wrap on today's video. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you're ready for more tech insights, stay tuned for our upcoming content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.